Hi guys, how are you? My name is Julia and today I decided to record this video because many people are asking me what am I doing to be so different, why I did to lost weight so fast, and I think it's fair I recorded this video because my family, my friends, people on social media are asking me it, and I think it's fair I share this with you as well, okay? And guys, the supplement that I use is called Glucotrust. And Glucotrust, it's basically a supplement that helps the levels of sugar in your body because it's not good. And guys, Glucotrust helps you the levels of sugar in your body because it's not good. High levels of sugar in your body isn't health, okay? And this supplement, it's totally natural, okay? Totally natural. And also fantastic nutrients. And I feel better telling this for you because when I decided to buy it, I was scared about the product and its normal weight, and I think it's good. I came here and tell you everything you need to know, right? And guys, alert, and now it's something that was good for me. The supplement helps sleep better, okay? And that's really good because when I started to do the treatment, Glucotrust helped me with my sleep nights, and that's the best thing of it because I wasn't sleeping good. I was waking up in the middle of the night, and that made me feel sleepy the entire night, okay? And the best, it's easy to lose weight, and because the ingredients, it's totally natural, okay? And the way the supplement makes you lose weight fast is the best thing, really. And guys, a type. There is 15 ingredients in Glucotrust that will help you reach your goals, okay? And there is no side effects. With that, you don't need to worry. Like I said, with the natural ingredients, there's no side effects. And you don't need to make any change in your days with your diet, with your exercise, because the product it's totally good, okay? So you don't have to make any change. You can still do your diet, you can still do your exercise, okay? And Glucotrust helps your hormones, improve them. And you're probably asking, can I use it? I am older enough, I am younger enough. And yeah, people of all ages can use Glucotrust because guys, Glucotrust is helping 1,000 people around the world, okay? And how to use that? You can take a pill before your meals. For example, you have 3 meals, you can take the pill and after eat, alright? It's easy. And guys, important alert is something I'm terrified, okay? You need to go to the right website and buy it, okay? On the official website. To help you, I left the link on the description down below. You can check it later for the video, okay? And it's basically you just buy on the official website, please. You have to watch the entire video on the website, and then the bottle to buy will appear for you, okay? Be careful because you can receive something you're not expecting for, and that's not good, okay? And it's a legit supplement, okay? And guys, I think it's fair I share with you as well my history with Glucotrust. And with Glucotrust, last year I started the treatment with Glucotrust, and it makes me feel so good because I was feeling anxious, and start the treatment with Glucotrust made me feel more confident, and I was losing weight in the way I like, and I lost 20 pounds in 2 months. It sounds not good for you probably, but for me it was so good. And guys, each body it's unique, and the treatment, your treatment isn't like the other person treatment, okay? So each body it's unique, you have different results. And if you want to see good results, just take the treatment seriously, okay? And in few weeks, few months, you're going to see the results. That's it, guys. And don't forget, I left the link on the description down below. You can check it later. Don't forget to watch the video on the official website, and then the bottle to buy will appear for you. And that's it, guys. I hope I help you, okay? Bye.